Good morning. If you haven't met me before, my name is Peter Boulton, and briefly, I'm an entrepreneur and a businessman. And what I do is I work with other entrepreneurs and business people to help them to increase the incomes that they're generating, or if they've already got an existing business, to be able to increase the profits they're making within their business. Clearly, both subjects tend to make me quite popular, but I'm reaching out today just to help you understand, if you haven't met me before, and perhaps you'd like some help in generating more income or perhaps increasing the profits if you've got an existing business, then maybe it's time to reach out to me so that I can help and guide you on that process. One of the ways that I kind of illustrate what I do is using this word behind me, lean in. And lean in, really, L-E-A-N, stands for 4 different things. And the 4 basics, I think, of running a more successful business or to be able to generate more incomes for ourselves. The L stands for learn. I'm a great believer in education, making sure that we learn to do the things that make a difference in our life. Because if we understand what those things are that we can learn, we have an opportunity to put them in place. The E in lean in stands for earn. Now, I'm a great believer that if we're going to run a business or we're an entrepreneur, we need to be earning an income. We need to be generating profits within the businesses that we run. Otherwise, why would we do that? What's the point in working and doing all the effort that we put into a business if we're not going to be earning an income? And one of the things that I'm now doing is I'm working with specific individuals, and maybe that could be you too, to help you to learn how to generate the income that you're looking to generate. The A stands for action. And I think I'm a great believer in the fact that nothing actually happens unless we take action. It doesn't matter how much we learn that could influence the earnings that we can achieve from our businesses, but we need to take action, otherwise nothing really ever happens. Some people call me an accountability partner, where I'm helping them to take action, because as I keep popping up to meet them or to talk to them on the phone or perhaps have a Zoom call with them these days, particularly in this time of lockdown, we're in a situation that I can hold people accountable for the things that we discuss and perhaps motivate them to do the things, take the actions that they know that they need to take. And maybe all of us, you may need that help. I know that I need that help from time to time, just to make sure that I'm staying focused and doing the things that I need to do. The N of lean in stands for the word that my father used to say was the most underestimated word in the English language, now. And really what he meant by that was, another expression he would use, procrastination is the thief of time. And he was always frustrated and sort of saying to people that now is always the best time to do things, to get things done. And if we don't take action now, then nothing actually happens. So it doesn't matter how much maybe we learn about producing and earning an income and taking action. If we don't actually do it now, then nothing actually happens. So if any of this resonates with you and perhaps it'd be helpful to you, I'm going to encourage you just to visit one of my pages on my website at peterbolton.com, and the page is entitled One-to-One. You'll see it there on my website. And what I'm offering to people at the moment who are motivated to want to have a more successful future is to have a free one-to-one with me. That free one-to-one, it's coaching, it's mentoring, it's helping you to really understand and clearly define what you're looking to achieve, perhaps reflecting on where you are today in comparison to where you want to get to, and start to think about some of the actions that you could be taking to help you to achieve the level of success that you're after. So if any of this sounds interesting to you, I'm just going to encourage you to visit my website at peterbolton.com. I'll put the website address on this video. Have a look at that, click on the free review button if you'd like to reach out to me, and then I'll be back in touch with you so we can book an appropriate time for us perhaps just to have an initial discussion for free to really find out whether perhaps we could work together and whether what I have to offer you could help you to achieve the level of success that you're trying to achieve. I look forward to hearing from you in due course.